So now we are going to see the problem related to toggle mechanism, right? So in a toggle mechanism as shown in figure, so this is your toggle mechanism. So there is a 4-bar link and there is a slider crank link. So link number 1, 2, 3, 4 and slider 1 is 5 and 1 is fixed. So totally we have 6 links here. So for this toggle mechanism, the slider D is constrained to move on horizontal path. So this is our slider D. Then it is constrained to move to horizontal path. The crank OA is rotating in counterclockwise direction at a speed of 180 rpm. So this is our crank OA. So it is the angle between the crank and the horizontal line is 45 degree. And this crank is rotating in counterclockwise direction. So this is our counterclockwise direction. The speed is 180 rpm. This crank will be having velocity which is perpendicular to this link in this direction. Since it is rotating in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise direction, this will be our velocity of AO. Right, then they are noted the dimension of various links are OA, so this is 180 mm, and CB, so this link CB is 240 mm, and this link AB is 360 mm, and this link BD is 540 mm. And we have two horizontal axes which are 360 mm apart from this point O to this axis. So this is 360 mm. Then horizontal distance between the fixed point O and C is 105 mm. So these are the important dimensions to draw the space diagram of this given drawing. Right. First we have to draw this two axes which is 360 mm apart. Right, I am going to take this scale. So we have to do the scale factor. So 1 centimeter scale is equal to 1 centimeter equal to, I am going to take 100 mm. So for 180 mm we have to, so 180 divided by 100, it is coming around 1.8 centimeter, right? Similarly we have to do for another all links also. Now for 360 degree it is around 3.6 centimeter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 3.6. This is 1 point and this is another point. So now I am going to draw the horizontal axis. Now I am going to locate the point O in this point. Then from O I have P which is 105 mm. So 105 means I can take around 1 centimeter. So from this point on up to 1 centimeter I have to locate the another fixed point which is C, and this is O. From OA I need to draw a line which is 45 degree. So I need to take the protractor. So 45 degree, it's in anti-clockwise direction. So 45 degree. So the distance is 1.8 mm, right? So this is 1 and this is 1.8 45 degree, and this is small a. Then after that, take compass and measure 3.6 centimeter. So 3.6 centimeter from this point A, draw a line, draw an arc like this. Then for CB, it is 2.4 centimeter. This is 2 and this is 2.4. So from this point I need to draw an arc like this. Now I am going to join these two lines to locate point B. Now I have located the point B, capital B, right? Now I am going to locate the slider D, which is 540 mm. So from the scale factor I need to take 5.4 mm. This is 5.4 mm. I need to take this compass to point B and make an arc on this axis like this. You can make an arc and join these 2 points. This is our D. So I can draw a slider like this to locate the point D. So here are the pin joints. So it is fixed. I can do a symbol like this to show it is a fixed point. So this is 180 rpm. So this is how we have to draw the space diagram as per this scale factor, right? Now we are going to calculate the velocity of slider D and angular velocity of all the links A, B, C and BD, and rubbing velocity of pin joints at A and D. So this point A and this point D, we have to calculate the rubbing velocity that we will be seen now. So for that we need to calculate the linear velocity of our crank OA. So velocity of AO equal to omega of AO into distance of OA, right? So omega AO is equal to pi n OA divided by 60. So the value will be 2 into 180 divided by 60. It is coming around 18.84 radian per second. Then I am going to substitute that value to here. It is equal to 18.84 into OA distance is 180 mm. So I have to substitute in meter 0.18. That is equal to 18.84 into 0.18. So it is coming around 3.39 meter per second velocity of AO, right? So our input value is 3.39. I am going to draw a perpendicular. So already I told, if you want to draw a perpendicular line in upwards, so this is the line who is coinciding here. So this is the perpendicular velocity of AO. So I am going to draw